Good morning, guys. I want to talk about something very interesting, very unique. Um, I post a lot of videos and information on different social media, and somebody approached me today. In the post that I usually make, I always mention, oh, if you ever get into an accident or if you ever get sick, you can use this policy to pay off. It's a life insurance policy. I hate using that word life insurance because it turns everybody off, but it's an insurance policy that will um, provide financial help in the event of an accident or illness. And if in the event that you happen to die, your heirs, your spouse, your children, whoever you're assigned to be your beneficiaries, will get the face value or the coverage, um, whatever it is. Say it's $1 million when you die, your family get the money. But the thing that I want to talk about today that's really, really important, the response that I got today was, I don't have a car, I don't have a house, and I don't need to pay off anything. And I want to do this video specifically for that reason. You don't have to have a car, you don't have to have a house, and you don't have a spouse, and you don't have to have children. Okay? What this policy is saying in the event of an accident or illness, if you have a terminal illness, which means if you're going to die in 12 months, you get to, if you have $1 million policy, you get to have that money while you're alive. Whether you're going to pay off a house, whether you're going to buy a vacation to go to Jamaica or the Bahamas, or just go out and gamble it. You can do whatever you want to do with that money. You don't need a house. You don't need a spouse. You don't need a car. You don't need anything. This money is going to go to you directly, tax free. I want you to underline the word tax free. There's nothing out there in the marketplace that will pay you tax free. Again, I want to specify this insurance policy will give you $1 million in the event of sickness or accident to spend it however you like. You don't need a wife. You don't need a girlfriend. You don't need a dog. You don't need a house. You don't need a cat. You don't need a car. You don't have to have anything. You could be completely broke with I used the wrong word. You could completely have no assets whatsoever. This policy doesn't care. What they do, they will advance the $1 million directly to you to use it however you see fit. You can give it to somebody that you love. If you see somebody on the street that's homeless, you can take that $1 million and hand it to them. Yeah? I hope this makes sense, guys. You don't need it. This is not designed to pay off a house or a car or give it to your family, or it's just designed to give it to you to use however you like. Go to Vegas and put it on a blackjack. Just go play one blackjack game and just put in $1 million. Yeah. And you never know, you might win, and that million will turn into 2 million in 10 seconds just because you have no intention of winning. But no, seriously, guys, I want you guys to really focus, because sometimes I'm always trying to uh, um, word my message in a way where it's actually clear and concise for everybody. Apparently, I've been making a mistake saying, oh, you could pay off a house or pay off your car. And that's not what this is designed. I'm just saying that's one of the options that are available for you. Say if you want to pay off a house, go ahead and do that. But if you don't want to pay off a house, don't pay off the house. Pay off the car. But if you don't want to pay off the car, you don't have to pay off the car. It's up to you. They're going to hand you the money, and you can use the money on whatever you want. Go rent a beautiful villa in Bahamas and just stay there for, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Just live by the ocean, go scuba diving, and enjoy your last day on Earth if in the event of a terminal illness right here. Terminal illness, any illness or condition where life expectancy is 12 months or less. Okay? So you could use that money. You could just go out and have a great time. Just enjoy your life. All right, so when I talk about getting into an accident, that's called chronic illness, okay? The ability to perform, if you're unable to perform at least 2 activities of daily living, like dressing, eating, bathing, toileting, transferring, continence, which means going, I forgot what this, I think this one means going to the bathroom or something. Hold on, let me look it up. Give me a second, guys, so we can be on the same page here. Give me one minute. I looked it up before. I know it's something have to do the inability to. Hey Siri, what's the definition of continence?
Continent means able to control movements of the bowels and bladder. Do you want to hear the next?
Yes.
It means exercising self-restraint, especially sexually. Do you want to hear the last one?
Yes.
It means any of the world's main continuous expanses of land, Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North.
Okay, I guess we didn't need to hear the last one. But anyway, in the event of dressing, eating, bathing, toileting, transferring, incontinence, basically you're unable to control yourself going to the bathroom for at least 90 days, or the presence of severe cognitive impairment. Say if you get into a car accident and God forbid your brain take a very major hit and you're unable, your cognitive skills decline, that's considered chronic illness. So anything in the event of an accident and anything that fits in that category, you're unable to perform any of two of these activities, you'll be able to collect your money to go on your party to the Bahamas or Jamaica or wherever you choose to go. Okay. So from now on, I'm not going to even mention the word paying off mortgage or paying off rent. I'm just going to say, take that money and book a vacation. Take the money and book a I think that's what I need to mention, because the one respond that I got, I don't have a house. I don't have a car. I don't have what did he say? Something like that. So you really don't have to have anything. They're going to give you the cash and you can do whatever you want to do with it. So now if you look down here, there's 3 conditions. You got terminal illness, 12 months, your life expectancy, 12 months or less. Chronic illness, that's when you get into an accident and you're unable to perform 2 of your daily activities. And now down here, you get chronic, critical illnesses, the diagnosis of any of these following illnesses or conditions. And it lists 18 of them, guys. Invasive life-threatening cancer, any burns, stroke, coma, major heart attack, aplastic anemia, end-stage renal failure, benign brain tumor, and the list goes on and on and on and on. So basically what the insurance company is saying, in the event you get terminal illness, chronic illness, or critical illness, we will give you the money while you're alive to do whatever you want to do with it. Okay? Take the money, book a vacation, and enjoy the rest of your life. Thank you, guys. Please comment One Life, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it, because I want everybody to know that this information is available out there. Don't put your money into a bank account. Put your money into an insurance policy. Basically, the policies that I offer come with a return of premium option, which means if you happen to get a 10-year policy and nothing happens to you, you outlive your policy. After the 10 years, say you paid $10,000 into the policy, nothing ever happens to you, you get all your money back. No insurance company gives you all your premium back or your monthly payment back, but the policies that I offer do. Also, there's nothing out there in the investing or marketplace that give you tax-free money. This one does. Another thing too, in the event of, I want to add this real quick, it's a really, really important point to a lot of people. In the event you get sick, whether it's terminal, chronic, or critical illness, and you go to your doctor and the doctor says you have cancer, Mr. Jones, Mr. Jones is going to lose his mind. He's going to say, oh my God, my wife, my kids, all the people that I love, what am I going to do? He's going to be dazed and confused for weeks, months. So what you could do in this condition, lean on to your insurance company and say, look, my doctor says I have cancer. What can I do? So what the insurance company is going to do, they're going to contact your doctor and they're going to say, what is going on with Mr. Jones? What does he have? Tell us more about his cancer. Why does he have a stroke? Tell us about his stroke. Why does he have coma? Whatever is going on with you, the insurance companies have doctors that work for them. They have doctors on their payroll. They have attorneys on their payroll. So what these doctors are going to do, they're going to contact your doctor and they're going to start asking the tough questions, educated question to find out more about your health. That alone is worth $1 billion. You can't really put a price on that, because a lot of people, when a patient goes in the hospital and the doctor says you have cancer, you just have to accept it. You're just stuck. You don't have anybody on your side to advocate for you and ask questions for you. So by having this policy, you have somebody on your side that will ask the question and make sure to get to the bottom of what is going on with your health. I hope this makes sense, guys. Just alone, that's worth, you can't really put a price on that. Again, instead of putting your money into a savings account, guys, put it into an insurance policy that will cover you for $1 million. And in the event of illness or sickness, you'll get that money while you're alive to spend it on whatever, underline whatever you like to spend it on. You can go out and just vacation at a remote island somewhere, or take a cruise, do whatever you want to do with this money, guys. You're not restricted in any way on how to use this money, okay? In the event of death, say you happen to die within the 10 years while you have your policy, your family will get the money. So it's never a waste, guys. So instead of putting money into a savings account and watch it shrink every single day because of inflation and many things that's going on with our world right now, why not put it into a place where each dollar that you put in is going to inflate, not deflate. It's going to inflate. So basically your dollar is going to turn into a $10,000. Why wouldn't you want to do that? Why would you want to put your dollar somewhere where a dollar is shrinking down to 50 cents, where you have the other option? You can put your dollar into another savings account where your $1 is going up to a $10,000. That just makes logical, mathematical sense. All right, guys, I just made this video today just to specify that this money is available for you while you're alive to use however you like. I really want to make that point clear. Text One Life to 330-577-3496, and I'll be able to help you guys today. Oh, one thing I want to mention, guys, that's really, really important before I go. What makes insurance policies very powerful is the living benefits. Living benefits, which means you can use these policies while you're alive. You don't have to die to use these policies. The life policies that insurance policies that I offer come with free living benefits. Normally, those are called riders or options that you add onto your policy. And usually each rider or each option that you add onto your policy would run you an additional $100 to $200 a year, okay? The policies that I offer come bundled into these riders and options come bundled into the policy at no additional charge to you guys. I'm running out of breath over here. I hope I'm making myself clear. If I can help one person out there, I would be super, super happy. I really want to help people. If you guys have any questions, please text Small Life to 330-577-3496, and I'll get back with you immediately. I would love to help you guys build assets, because all we do as Americans, we just pay bills, and as we get older, we have nothing left. We have nothing. We just pay bills, and we never build assets. When we get older, all we're doing is just paying medical bills in and out of the doctor, just struggling to make ends meet. But by having the right insurance, guys, you can protect yourself. That's why we get insurance on a car. If you get into an accident, you don't want to completely lose your car and not have any transportation. Why not get insurance on yourself? If you are the main income earner in the household, and that paycheck stops, you have nothing coming in anymore. And you're going to start, your life's going to just slowly begin declining in every aspect, in every way possible, because medical bills is going to just eat you alive. We all know how expensive medical bills. So if he can just fix all that by parking a couple bucks, maybe $50 or $100 a month into an insurance policy that will protect you, why not do that? Okay. Again, guys, don't put your money into the bank, because you're going to lose. Oh, one thing I want to mention too, I've mentioned it many, many, many times. I want to mention it again. When you go put your $50 into the bank, into your savings account or your when you put in a $50 or $100 every month into the bank takes that money and actually buys life insurance policies. The bank owns, I think I read something just recently, JP Morgan Chase, they own like maybe $23 billion or more. Don't quote me on these numbers. You can look them up for yourself, but they own billions and billions of dollars in life insurance policies. Banks bankrupt all the time. Insurance companies do not bankrupt. You see banks closing all the time. Even banks rely on life insurance policies, guys. But what does that tell you? If the bank is buying it, the bank, all they do is just, their objective is to make more money, make more money, make more money, and protect their assets and build more assets. And if they choose to get life insurance, wouldn't it make sense? Doesn't success leave clues? Wouldn't it make sense for you to go out there and get a life insurance policy? I mean, if the bank is doing it, shouldn't you do it too? I think I'm exhausting myself here. I covered pretty much everything that I wanted to cover. Remember, guys, you can use this money for whatever you want. It's tax-free. I don't recommend putting money into the savings account. Put it into an insurance policy. If you guys want to chat one-on-one, I offer free services. Please text One Life to 330-577-3496 or comment One Life below this video, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. Have a wonderful day and best of luck. And please don't forget to like, share. It's very important you guys share this video because let's get this information out to as many people as possible, because people don't know that this information is excuse me, I apologize. People don't know that this information is available out there. They're always looking for a way to protect themselves, but they don't know who to turn to. So by you sharing this video, people at least know that option is available. Have a wonderful day and best of luck. And don't forget to get out there and exercise. It doesn't have to be anything big. Just go for a 1-minute walk, guys. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Ways to use your life insurance while you're still alive. Throw a retirement party so epic they'll write about it in history books. Who needs a modest send-off when your policy can help cover the taco truck, live DJ, and a trained parrot that sings your favorite 90s hits? Finally, buy that boat you'll probably use twice a year. Name it something dramatic like Policy Rider or Premium Dreams. Take cooking classes in Italy, or just fly there to eat your doctor says to eat healthier. You say less, I'm going to Tuscany. Upgrade to a couch. So comfortable. It has a nap button. Your current one has seen better days and too many spilled snacks. Prepare for a midlife crisis in style. A sports car? Check. A leather jacket? Check. A questionable tattoo? We'll leave that up to you. Surprise the family with a backyard carnival complete with clowns, cotton candy, and a magician who can make your in-laws disappear.
Testing.